Hello to you my gorgeous fashion lovers. You're welcome back again to fashion and hairstyles updates. The channel, as you always know, that gives you the very best in fashion styles. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video, and also your time and location. So today in the video, I have some gorgeous, unique and trendy acrylic art designs for you my gorgeous queens. So I urge you to watch the video to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide. So ladies, for that very occasion which you are planning to go and you know that your color of the day is pink, I urge you to watch this video to the end, because in this video today I have some unique pink acrylic art designs. So watch and make your selections. And as you watch, kindly support this video by hitting the like button, okay? Like the video and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and give me your lovely comments about my video. Thank you guys so much. To my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you for always coming back to watch my videos and also engage. Trust me guys, your effort in my channel is never taken for granted. Thank you so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys again in my next video.